Okay, class, good evening. So now we will discuss another topic for the midterm. So we will discuss Article 1502. Here, sale or return and sale on approval. So sale or return, it is the ownership of the goods is transferred to the buyer on delivery. But the buyer has the option to revest their ownership on the seller by returning them within the time fixed in the contract, or if no time has been fixed, within reasonable time. While sale on approval or on trial or on satisfaction, it is ownership of the goods remain within the seller despite delivery but shall be transferred to the buyer in the following cases. So number 1 or letter A, when he signifies his approval or acceptance of the goods. Next, when he does not act adopting the transaction. C, if he does not signify his approval or acceptance of the goods, retain the goods without giving notice of rejection within the time fixed in the contract or within a reasonable time in such time has expired. So here the distinction between the two. Sale or return. Number 1, ownership of the goods passes to the buyer upon delivery. So take note class, hindi na kay seller hindi na kay seller yung control and possession ng goods. While here, ownership passes to the buyer upon acceptance of the goods or the expiration of the time given to him to signify his acceptance. So take note class, dito sa kabila, sale on approval or trial or satisfaction, upon delivery, walang walang transfer ng ownership or ng control. So take note of that. Magkakaroon lang ng ownership magkakaroon lang ng process ng ownership kung inaccept na ni buyer and nag-communicate na siya dun kay seller. Next, risk of loss is on the buyer. Take note kasi nga yung ownership na transfer na. Dito naman sa kabila, risk of loss is on the seller. Next, buyer may return the goods even if he is satisfied of its quality. Dito naman sa kabila, the buyer has no right to return the goods if he is satisfied of its quality. So next, let's have an example. So on May 2, S delivered an electronic calculator to B under a sale or return arrangement. S gave up B up to May 7 to return the electronic calculator. So on delivery during May 2, B become the owner of the electronic calculator. So take note of that. What if on May 7, B does not return the calculator? So ibig sabihin, on or before May 7, hindi ibinalik ni B yung calculator. So ang mangyayari niyan, yung sale between S and B will become absolute. So ibig sabihin, perfect contract of sale na siya. Which is absolute sale. Next, papaano naman kapag ibinalik ni B on or before May 7? So, ang mangyayari niyan, the ownership thereof will be revested to S. Ibig sabihin class, di ba during the delivery on May 2, yung ownership na transfer na kay B. Papaano on or before May 7, ibinalik ni B, so yung ownership is babalik ngayon kay S. So take note of that. So another instances, suppose that B could return the calculator. The same is destroyed in a fire. Must B still pay the price? So what if daw class, lumampas na ng May 7, hindi pa rin ibinalik ni B yung calculator. And then the calculator destroyed in a fire. So is B is liable to pay the price? So the answer is yes. It's because nga class, here in sale or return, the risk of loss is on the part of the buyer. So he became the owner, so the risk of loss was with him. The same rules apply within more reasons if the loss was due to his fault. So take note class, 'di ba? Since destroyed in a fire, it is a fortuitous event. And then, general rule natin, no one shall be liable in case of fortuitous event. But take note class, yung ownership during May 2 is na-transfer na kay B. So, ibig sabihin, kapag na-destroy siya, whether due to fortuitous event or due to fault of B, B must still pay the price. So, next, sale on approval. Example. So, on June 3, S delivered a computer to B under a sale on approval basis. S gave up B up to June 10 to try the computer and decide to purchase if it is proves satisfactory. If the computer proves satisfactory after trial by B and B signify his approval to S, the ownership of the computer is passed on to B upon his communication of his approval to S. So, take note class here, sale on approval, if B does not signify his approval of the computer but retains the possession of the computer even after June 10, ownership thereof is likewise passed on to him. So, dito class, upon delivery ni S during June 3, walang ownership na na-transfer. But, matatransfer lang yung ownership over the computer kung si B nag-signify ng kanyang approval and then nag-communicate siya doon sa seller. So, ownership is mapapas na. What if class, dumating na yung June 10? Dumating na yung June 10. So, anong mangyayari? So, on or before June 10, and then hindi pa rin ibinalik ni B yung computer, ibig sabihin class, ownership will be automatically transferred to B. So, take note of that. So, let's say for example, June 11 na, hindi pa ibinabalik ni B. So, it is a contract, a perfected contract of sale. So, absolute sale na yung nangyari doon. Suppose that the time given to B has expired and B has not yet signified his approval to S. The computer is destroyed in a fire. Will be obliged to pay the price? So, here class, the answer is no. Diba? Kapag sale on approval, and then na-expired na yung time, and then na-destroyed in a fire since it is a fortuitous event, so the risk of loss will on the part of the seller. Take note of that. So, kahit na-expire na yung time class, let's say for example, June 11, nasira yung computer, nasunog. So, the risk of loss is on the part of the seller, not on the buyer. What if class, baliktarin natin, nasira yung computer because of the fault of B. So, si B must pay the price. So, take note of that. So, yun yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. So, sa sale on approval, kapag fortuitous event, kahit na-expired pa yung time, or on or before na-expired yung time, so, the seller must be the lost. While if it is in the case of B or fault of B and then na-expire na yung time, so the obligation, B must pay the price. So that is the obligation part of the buyer. So that's all for this topic. So if you have a question, just ask it on our GC. So that's all.